In today's show, all eyes in United States. We are pending on that possible rise in the rates, what's going on with inflation in United States, and how all this is going to affect the markets. If you want to know that, if you want to know the last information about the crypto world and much more, draws, discounts, etc., then smash that like button, because it's time for Cryptonews Fun on the Ride, Crypto a Tope. I will tell you all about this, but first, let me tell you that if you are in Spain, in Zaragoza, you can go to the Blockchain Expo and DeFi Congress. It's gonna be a blast there. We're gonna be there from 26 to 27 of October. The agenda is full of important people. If you want to meet everyone in the crypto space in Spain, well, just go there. Not just the people from Spain, but all over the world. Even we will be there, and we are drawing 4 tickets for the event, so stay till the end of the video and I will tell you about that, and also that you have a 25% discount if you buy the tickets with our code, which is FunBDZ. So let's jump into the news today. US Fed is set to raise interest rates as recession's first month. So how is that gonna affect the price? Remember our theory. We believe that in this theory of the steps, we are in a double step right now. We have these two were small, and now we have this one which is double. And right now we need room to the next step as we are building a stair, ¿cómo se dice? Escalera, stair, whatever. So if the present is as it was in the past, now we're gonna fall a 32, a 36%. That's what happened the past 2 times. We get close to that decision in the lower point of our range. So remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have no clue what's gonna happen. Perfectly, it can go just up as crazy, but I believe this is gonna go to 13,000 range. We'll see about that. Also remember, we have our theories, watch past videos about the RSE and why we can drop that 45% considering the past situation similar to the one we are living right now. Also, we have a magnet in the 11,000 right now for the gap of the CNMV. We just closed the 18,001. So right now we might go deeper in order to fill those gaps. Remember that we just lost the line we shouldn't lose, and we did it again. So just $17,600 is our last hope. If not, we will face the abyss. And I believe, and nobody just said this yet, that we might be in a left shoulder head and right shoulder. This pattern that will take us to 13,800. So again, a lot of things telling us that 13,000 range is a possibility. And so funny, or maybe sad, some people in my community, Mecillos and Saladilla, I think they told me that in the rainbow chart that you can find in FunOntheRide.com, you can see that they just draw a new color, the purple one. And that's not fair, that's not legit, because, you know, we were always talking about the blue one that was supposed to be the bottom in the past, and you can just draw another color. We don't like that. You will draw different colors as Bitcoin goes lower and lower. Well, that's not good. It's not good that the stock market is going down. Asia closed going down. United States, it wasn't a good day yesterday. We'll see today about that. And the dollar is going up. And remember that dollar is a counter indicator of Bitcoin right now. But to be optimistic, we can think that later or sooner we have to face this line. This line is the line of the previous highs. So we were expecting that maybe we will follow those patterns and break this line on September. Maybe in the end of September, we say the last time, or maybe will be in the future. But eventually we will break it and find support in it and go up. I believe that we'll see. If you want to draw your own lines in TradingView as a pro, well, you have the link in the description. I leave it to you there. And also, if you want to do some of the payment options for TradingView for free, well, you have a Tiny where you can try it And if that's not enough for you, well, then you can have the pro version and pay for it. But if not, I would take advantage of the free version our partners are giving us for free. Be careful with the trading, because it can happen to you as this kid. He was trading, everything went wrong, he got in a bad mood, but it was worse later. Let me just put the sound on. Don't what that has to hurt. And now let's talk about Matthew Hyland, because he's telling us things are not gonna be okay for Bitcoin. Both previous Bitcoin bear markets ended with multi-month horizontal support being broken. So this is a story in 2014. We were boring flat and then we went down. Then in 2018 it was the same. We had this flat situation and then we broke it before started to going up. And finally in 2022 maybe we have to face another drop and then we will start going eventually up. And why are we going down? Well, Willy Woo, the expert, is telling us that it's because of political agenda. They are suppressing the Bitcoin price because they don't want Bitcoin price to go so high right now. That's why they are not approving an ETF in spot. That's why they are allowing a lot of instruments that are derivatives, that are synthetics, but not ETFs. Because they want people shorting Bitcoin so the market cap doesn't grow, so they can control the price of Bitcoin. There's no need of banning it. They are just controlling the price as they please. But Michael Saylor has no doubt about Bitcoin success. He just bought over 300 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy just got 3 more $6 million. That's a price above 19,000 as an average. So they believe it's a good day for buying Bitcoin. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Nasdaq also believes in Bitcoin. They're going to offer crypto custody for institutional investors. In Colorado, United States, they also believe in Bitcoin now. They are accepting crypto payments for state taxes. And you have to think that 5 of the top 10 influential fintechs in the world in 2022 are crypto companies. So half of the 10 most important ones are. Russia plans to offer international crypto payments options. That's what said the finance ministry official. So we have adoption all over the world, and even Best Buy are now selling ledger wallets, cold wallets. That's huge, because a lot of people that has no clue about this will go there and ask what is that device. That device that you can have a discount in this pack, this awesome one, where you can have the Ledger Nano X, and also this device where if your house is in fire, well, you keep safe your seats. If you don't see how to buy them, remember you have to connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. After that, as you are not safe with that wallet, you have to go to FunOntheRide.com crypto safety, where I have this video how to protect your wallet with the ledger if it was previously in MetaMask without the protection of the ledger. But if all of this sounds really complicated for you, then I recommend you just to buy a Ledger Nano S Plus, 679 euros right now, and then you can go to the same site and watch this tutorial for your first steps in the cold wallet world. What about Ethereum? Well, we are going down. The same analysis we said last time is valid, so go to past video to see about that. Maybe it will be boring flat and going down 63% the next 136 days. We have a lot of videos dedicated to Ethereum, so if you're interested in them, just go to our channel and watch them. Ethereum 2.0, that right now everybody, Carlos Cetina told us, is making fun of, because they believe that Ethereum 2.0 meant that Ethereum is going to $20. We hope not, but the criticism is coming into the Ethereum ecosystem. What prevents large validators from taking over Ethereum is being accused of high centralism, and also Now we have fights between Bitcoin maximalists and Ethereum maximalists and non-maximalists. Larry Davis told us SEC is trying to claim jurisdiction over all Ethereum transactions since about 45% of nodes are in the United States. Remember, Amazon Web Services, all of them are there. And that would mean that all transactions globally should be considered US origin. So that's a scary precedent. If this goes through, that's not good for the market. The Bitcoin maximalists are making fun of Ethereum. They're saying that with proof of work with Bitcoin, you can't do that. But also, the ones that are non-maximalists are telling that, well, miners are right now in United States mostly. So maybe the government can also ban the mining in United States as it happened in China. The maxis will defend themselves, saying that, well, they can move their mining operations to other places in the world. We'll see about that in the future. Also, good news for Ethereum. Right now, they're telling us that all the miners are selling some Ethereum because there's no mining anymore and they needed the money. So 13,000 Ethereum has been sold for $40 million, but eventually this will end. There will be less pressure of selling for Ethereum in the market. The POW Ethereum is going down, bad news for it too. And right now they're telling you how to climb an airdrop in their Twitter account, but I don't trust this. Do this on your own responsibility. I'm not gonna claim anything. I don't trust this thing. I'm scared about this as the market is having extreme fear. We're in the 23 right now. The market is in the red. The bubbles are in the red too, and the most important cryptocurrencies are in the red. We have several also more news. Coinbase announcing support for 3 altcoins. Those are INJ, also PunDX and XMON. And in the past, when Coinbase told us about listings, well, those prices would skyrocket, but right now this effect might be over. Or maybe they knew that in the past 7 days and now they are just selling the news because the rumor, they had it already. Probably this is manipulation. This happened with INJ, it happened with XMON too, and it happened with PunDX. That is still alive. That's a surprise for me. I bought some of this in the past, so I wish I will have my money back in the future, but I don't think this is gonna go to the price I bought it at $8. What do you think? More news. Robinhood lists its first stablecoin, USDC. Arbitrum saved from major Ethereum loss by white hat hacker. An anonymous developer effectively saved Arbitrum from a 250 million loss. And also about the crypto, I had FOMO the other day because of Chico Crypto's video. The crypto traders are exploring GMX, manipulating AVAX price to remove $500,000. So bad news for GMX, the new yield that is supposed to be more safe than the fiascos we had past summer. We'll see about that. Right now the price is going down. I told you past video that I was expecting the possibility of buying it really low from its price right now, but I have no clue about it. What are you gonna do? You're gonna buy right now? You're gonna wait? Do you believe in GMX or not? Who believes in the NFTs industry is Snoop Dogg, and now his child. He is also in the NFT ecosystem, and he's just selling more NFTs. The family dog getting richer and richer due to NFTs. And those NFTs are gonna be in Cardano, Nino, and we are validators there. We have 44 blocks validated already. So if you have some ally, if you want to help us validate more blocks, then just move them to Cardano on the right. Thank you very much. More news about altcoins. Ripple, we had rumors about a settlement in the situation with the SEC. Right now, the CEOs of Ripple met with CFTC commissioner, so that sparked speculation about a settlement. Also, beware influencers, YouTubers of the crypto space, because if you were promoting ICOs, now the SEC is after you, so you have to be scared about that. And for people watching YouTubers, do not trust the ones that I recommended you ICOs, or at least know that they probably are being paid for that service. We have $26 billion in the DeFi ecosystem. Wintermute is the loss of the day, 160 million in the latest DeFi hack. Also, they believe that the hack was possible due to a vanity address bug. So they didn't have, as in Ledger, automatic seeds, but they chose the words, and that's how the hacker would be able to find those. NFT marketplace OpenSea is integrating Ethereum scaling solution Arbitrum. So we have a good one for Arbitrum today and a bad one too. And we have to talk in the DeFi ecosystem about Zaragoza, which is a really important city in Spain. Right now, they are the vanguard. They are the top head of the development of the crypto space in Spain, which is the worst country in the world for development of the ecosystem. We are the best in taking taxes, but that's the only thing we really do good, as we do paella and we do the sun in the beach. That's all we do. Well, right now, Zaragoza wants to be something different in Spain, and they are working to create a metaverse. So if you are foreign, if you live abroad and you want to know how Zaragoza is, they are going to partner with people like FunOntheRide, and you will have your glasses and your cell phone, and from Australia or wherever you are, you will be able to see what Zaragoza has to offer to you. And also, there are a lot of people there with the watermelon already in the metaverse, and Zaragoza is bringing you with Feria of Zaragoza, the Blockchain Expo and DeFi Congress. 26-27 October 2022. I'm gonna be there, FunOntheRide is gonna be there, and we are gonna do a Cryptonews show live. So if you want to join us there and be there with a lovely agenda, a lot of important people, I will tell you about that in future videos. Well, just join us. You have a 25% discount in the tickets just because you are a rider of FunOntheRide. And also, we are giving away 4 tickets, so I leave you in the description the link how to participate. You have to visit Instagram and the site, and that's that. You are able of winning 4 tickets. And as I'm telling you, if you don't want to wait till Friday, well, you can buy the tickets already and use the code FunBDZ, and you will have that 25% discount. Thank you very much to BlockFi Expo and DeFi Congress for counting on us and giving us that discount for the riders. Also, if you want free money, you can participate in the draw of Binance in Spanish. Follow them on Twitter. You can win 50 BUSDs if you share. I leave you how to in the description. And remember that also through our sponsor Binance, you can have a huge discount in blockchain land in Mexico if you're gonna be there 5 to 7 of October. You'll have 100% discount in the virtual, in the non-presential ticket, and you'll have a 40% discount in the presential one if you go over there. Also, more crypto for free. Well, you have the hand in FunOntheRide. Download the app. You have the link in the description, and you can hand for some OVR and some Alice tokens there. You still have time for that. And also, if you don't have Coinbase, or maybe if you have it, link in the description, you can go there to the Earn section when you can learn and get some tokens. And some writers told me that there are new projects that you can have some tokens from them just watching the videos and learning. What about BlockFi? Well, we have news today. They are introducing price paid. It's a source of truth for the latest crypto market movements and details on how you can make the most of each asset with BlockFi. So you can go there and you can see how much earned interest you can have with those tokens if you're not in United States. They keep on talking with the regulators in United States, and I hope soon enough this will work also in United States too. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just watch that video where I tell you about this and other machines of making money if we are lucky in the future. Of course, do not put there money you can't afford to lose. And now for brain juice, Naval is telling us if you don't love the product and you don't love the team, you won't go the distance. Think about that when you think about the job you're doing today. Also, think about this from the song Smoke That the Grease, from Greece. The sun is always shining regardless of the weather. It doesn't matter if it's raining in your city today. The sun is there shining all the time. Also, thank you very much to Hippocampus Super Dex, cause Altcoin Daily, one of our favorite YouTube crypto channels, which Chico Crypto asked for your favorite crypto YouTuber or podcaster. Well, he said FunOntheRide. So I leave you the link in the description if you want to say FunOntheRide too. Maybe Altcoin Daily, that we admire so much, will tell about us and the world will get to know about our channel. And we have to tell you about really nice stuff. What about this? This is how a bridge is built from the very beginning at a small scale. First, you need some base. Important one. Just 1 second. Problems with the mic. First, you have to build your base, this crypto learning. Afterwards, solid concepts that would be the road in the future. And of course, you'll need a ramp. And there you go, your own crypto braids. That's awesome. As crazy as this. Just 1 second. I take the music off. There we go. As crazy as this is people pretending they have a real horse and riding it, and they have a prize there. Maybe this is what you were born to. Maybe that's your future. Maybe you'll be the world champion of this thing. I don't know how it's called. We have people for everything in the world. And what about donkeys? Well, you can be in the crypto world and be a donkey like this one and jump all the obstacles. No, the beginning of the video is this one. You can be as this donkey and jump the difficulties. Also, you can be as this other one. You saw how he did it, so I'm gonna do the same. Or you can be more intelligent, more smart, clever, and just think about what do you have in front of your eyes. The solution might be there, and just bite it and just go through easily. Wow, that's a smart donkey, and this is a happy dog. So happy because he just found crypto friends. Oh my God, you know about Bitcoin? Yes, I do. And what about Ethereum? I know about Ethereum too. So nice, we know a lot about crypto. You know about the Spanish? Well, if you want to learn Spanish, you can watch this very same content in Spanish right now if you go to FunOntheRide, our primary channel in YouTube. If not, if you want to wait for more crypto news in English, then you will find them in Cryptonews FunOntheRide secondary channel. FunOntheRide, health, money, love, peace, partying, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!